Hello guys, in this tutorial we will know how to create this kind of mood board using a SketchUp Grows AI plugin directly in a SketchUp. You don't have to go anywhere and you can generate this kind of mood board in a one click by uploading of any interior spaces, or just you can directly render and then generate a mood board. So let's start guys.
So guys, first here you can see this is the living room, and here you have to install SGAI plugin, and when you have click here, it will open this user interface. After that, here you have to click on a capture viewport option, and you have to select the interior, then the mood of the lighting, like day, for morning, night, snow, overcast. Yes, it depends on you. And here you can select material override flooring options too. But here I'm selecting original because I don't want to any changes. Okay, so there's also option a freedom, means if you will go to creative, the result will be totally different because AI will create a render in a creative way. Okay, so here I'm just locking it at a strict level. Okay, now here you have to click on a generate option, or you can also type a prompt to make it more good, like add a lighting, uh, green lawn visible from window. Okay, so here I'm typing green lawn visible from window. That's it. And if you want semi-glossy material or finishes, type semi-glossy finish and make the that's it. There is a minimal prompt. So now you have to click on a generate option. Now here you can see the result. This result is good. Now what I have to do now, here first we have to select this, or we have to just save this model first. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Now what you have to do, you have to go on a upload local model, select the rendered image like this one or this one, whatever you want. And now here you have to select mood board option. Now here you have to select the ambient option, and prompt will be vacant. There will be no prompt here. Okay. Now after that you have to click on a generate render. Okay. And it will generate a stunning mood board following this interior. It will be like a colors, what kind of fabrics, material used, and everything will be inside the mood board. So just wait a couple of seconds to generate a mood board. Now here you can see the result. Here what's it's creating now. Here you can see this is the dark charcoal velvet swatch, cabinetry finish, flooring is there. That is written as a polished turpentine marbles. Color palette is over here. You can see furniture detail is over here. And what is the hardware and the material of this center table also given here. Here the arc floor lamp that is perfectly mentioned with material type of the space, small concrete sample. So this is the detailed mood board that you can generate also using this SGAI plugin. Now you have to save this model. Now after saving this image, here you can see the result. Complete mood board, and you can easily present to the clients, and this can be done very easily using this AI. And if you want to generate using Photoshop, it will take a couple of hours to generate this kind of result. So guys, if you really like my videos, please share, subscribe, and like. And you can download this plugin. There is a link in the description. And if you will recharge any plan within this week, you will get 10 extra credit. So just download this